Okay, yeah. And what do you think is like the best type of car insurance that drivers should get?
Well, we get asked that question a lot, and the short answer is the best car insurance is the one that works for you. I can't tell you to go to State Farm or Allstate or Progressive or any other insurance company because each insurance company is going to provide a different quote to each individual driver. It all depends on your location, on your driving history, your age, your gender. All these factors are put into a kind of a bucket, and they come up with a rate that they're going to offer you. And it's really incredible how different insurance policy A versus insurance policy B can cost the same driver in the same area. So what we encourage drivers to do is shop around. Make sure that you get the rideshare endorsement. It's a huge it's again one of the costs of doing business, and it's a huge benefit to the drivers to have that extra layer of coverage. But whoever you buy it from, it doesn't matter. Get the best deal, get the right coverage, and then you're going to be safe and covered while you're on the road.